samples we get from the overseas. As you can see, this is the sample our client sent us by the TNT. So you can choose DHL or FedEx as you like. So after we receive it, this is the one piece. Okay, and this is the second piece. Okay, those are the physical samples we get from our clients. So after we receive it, we will start to make the drawings of these foam products. So we can send our clients the 3D drawings to make sure they can easily check this dimension from their site. So this is the first step. Then we will ask the clients their machine dimension to make sure our mold will be exactly matched with their existing shaping molding machine. And we will also issue another 2 drawing. One is for the structuring drawing. The other one is for the 3D mold drawings. So with these 3 drawings, basically we can like 100% sure the mold will match with the machine. So if you guys have any question for our EPS mold, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. I'll see you next video.